want for this Juna real bad and tell him pure things, you know. I triple me not diss him last night, you know. Come in and run no joke. You understand me now run no joke? Oh. Come here a big woman, me a 32-year-old Juna come. Me not do careless activity, me not careless. Me not look a girl. And me want go grind. Me lock off my life and go do it. Me not need to stay upon ya and do that. Come here and get paid for. You understand me not get paid for. Me not run no joke. Alright. Me not run no joke. Me lie down, me show him. Who did up on the live? The 800 people did up on the live. Sister, me never done do nothing. Me not run a joke, I'm not careless. Because someone must think I'm careless. Me not careless, me not run careless activity. Cussing bad in front of my kids is enough. Because them go and hear it. Pan them have phone to them go and hear, but anybody don't go cuss them go and me alone, I'm going to hear bad fuck one fall. Them go hear it. Me not careless. Moderator black, some of them are added to the keyboard for me now. Come don't want someone to come tell me no. Oh. Moving on. Moving right along. Come now stay upon the top of the too long. Moving right along. I say Juna, they say if Juna did use to crutches, he would have know when somebody are grind for when somebody not grind. Just to say that some of the man not used to crutches. Sometimes I still don't question, still don't want me to question on the gender. Because you can't cock up one big girl and grind her any because she big. She got hard for fix. The position where you are going to want her in for fix her another position there. A girl will look a bit neat, you fling and put all about. Me as a big girl, I've got fix and my foot have got wide open. Like when you open sesame. That's just saying you're not used to grind. Sometimes I stay when me question someone on the gender. Sometimes if it's a beer man on a tech. Because if you take woman experience, woman did know say, for big size girl, you can't put them anywhere. And anyhow. Them foot are for worse than them overweight like myself. Them foot are for wide woman and say open sesame. You can't catch up this and put this, so you have to open them foot wide and set them in our position. And the best position for put them and bend them over. And the best position that. Some of them know where you come tell the internet for look about it. Say me I run no joke. Alright. Moving right along. Come in and steer this up. Dibby, she buy and me buy. They put him live last night. Me can't forgive my mother. I don't thinking she bad. Me cannot forgive my mother. I'm want to read more what the sketch screen card, you know. I want to ask Shibada why me can't forgive my mother, but God can't forgive you for where your life for you a live. You take man and me take man. And Father God never put man and man. Father God never put man and man together. But over you are take man and me a take man. Say Father God can't forgive you for take man. Why Father God can't forgive me and my mama? What's so fascinating about me and my mama? Me realize you tear down me, you tear down Triple, you tear down Ivani, you tear down Macro when you're ready. You're not ready if you tear down K. You own your praise after not to ever tear her down. But I'll know your friend will give her pitting them. I'll know Shay will give her pitting them. Me know you come talk about it. Everybody up on the internet are dirty. Mama except Shay. That's why me not like you again. I when you sit down and cuss me there in out. Me never eat you up until me see you sit down and I bash everybody and leave out your friend. I when she bad that class me world, me not hate him. But find him vision fascinating until he becomes biased and two-side. Because your friend come out and take man in a pampas. We used to see a friend man put out a friend with 2 scandal bag. We used to she give you a put them and I know you put a blind eye. He's a hypocrite. You put a blind eye to it. Then if me triple Ivan a dirty mama, what shall be? When you have our kids on our foot. Me a ask you na the bad spy. Me a ask you. Me want ask you. Because you're very biased and hypocritical. Because the same way all you could have sit down and tell, Twep say, she give her son because so why you can't tell she give her for her son and all that because why? You wait for you and catch up. And that's how we pan. Because the same thing you tell sorry. And the same thing you tell Twep. Back in the days when you are top up in a story, so why you can't tell Shay that now? Why you can't tell Shay that now? Why you can't as long as I say you're careless? You're careless, you dig your walk and dig up everybody's file. And you're careless enough you can't find your pitney file now. No impress, K. I choose the rest because her because she bad don't like nobody. You understand? So you come at your class and you come out of my mama's story. And the story where I just on the internet when I hear you talk about it. One hear about your friend will give you a pity them to total stranger. Your friend will say she'll come a find for look at next life and breathe again and get to it again. And she won't hear about. And that's why views are drop and people are run for it. People say you're hypocrite, you're biased. You run past everybody's story, but you're not talking about your friend. Warm to your friend to give you a pity them. And then, oh, you cussing kids. Oh, me didn't argument because same I call them can't video in my one. Same I call them can't video in my house. I say dirty. Granted, me not have no problem. Me have me pity them not missing. Them catch with me in the dirty abandoned building. You live in a one clean government house where you're pity there. Cause me could have run a them and go look a better life too. Don't you? Me could have do that too. Me could have run and left them long time, run to the border long time. From border days, did clean sweep. From border days, did clean sweep. Me could have run and left them. From border days, did clean sweep. Clean so me can run through the border. I'm gonna look at better life as well you say for them. No better life. You give away. No better life. You give away one picnic at Jamaica, go foreign, breed, forget stiff, breed, forget a stiff gateway. Who give away them picnic to a total stranger? You dig up file, docket, everything. You turn one big nasty private investigator about girl. And you say you pay your friend to tell her things about me. But yet still you can't pay. You can't pay to get your two put them in a one place. Because you not focus on locus or on a lie. On a very lie and bad mind. Because you come here about, when my son come next year, where you going to say, where you going to put him? No, shame me ask the question. You say when your son come next year, we are going to shock for fine when your son come next year. Where you are going to put your son? Isn't that you have to be working and living somewhere to accommodate people in your yard? Who your trick? Somebody who can't read and somebody who can't read and somebody who can't write. Now all the dunce must know that. You're not work. You're not paying no tax. You're not live nowhere. Which space you have run you for accommodate picnic? Which space and money you have run you for accommodate picnic at your yard? If you can't get sure from the homes or she there. Cause I don't know what they call it in Belgium, but out here we call it homes. You put it there homes. Homes are safety. If you can't get the small one for homes are safety, or how you got to go for the big one? And you sit on TikTok there in there out and live in a girl business. And you say you want, you is a prime example as bring down, you know. When we talk about Shay, we talk about bring down. So, uno own a chada on a name. I'm say it to again, I'm say it again. It's like how me eat my mama share. I saw you repeat them, I got eat too, because you don't mind them. You don't look upon them and you don't care about them. You only care about a girl and a boy. You only care about a girl and you only care about a boy. You only care about people on TikTok and them business. And that you sit down and care about. Me can't sit down and care about people business when my business there is a spoil. Eh? You know why CDA can come take my own for me? Because me can't mind. TikTok give me the privilege and the right to mind my pity them. Me not unfit. Me not unfit. Me have running water in a dirty water room and bathroom there for bed. Me not unfit. But you want everybody come, you document them, you walk and search your old picture and old video. People, you know what burn me the most? I'm going to say this tone on. Nice, clean and calm. Right? She sit down over her live and talk about how me and my mother in a cascas and me couldn't do more do this to my mother, me couldn't do this to Jake. So the whole argument was based off of me and my mother started by her. And she start the argument. Because she come out, she make her hungry friend, which she pay for information, tell her, say me I take my mama man. And she come and she live for me from 10 months with the one story. No, when we are care at each other, you have something else to say. Sit that one out, or sit that one out. Because if I never did for you, I'm hang it up and call him back. If I never did for you, your mother wouldn't in an argument because she would feel some type of way. If she walk a street, people are asking her the question. You spread the propaganda, you spread the rumor. And you're not stop and you're not done. Now when we are care at each other, you are sitting over live and talk about what the argument start by you. And you are running with the story from last year. All type of people here with the story, I was thinking about King when want me see him. The space, the boy with the shit space seat in my mouth. The long time old saga. What me not get the time now the day. You talk up thinking I flex up, pay me 30,000 for being friend, I'm gonna look. But take him 30,000, I'm gonna it, I'm gonna want a friend. And them the people let me see yeah, sit down with a discuss me when I run from around me. Cause me a top girl. Marriage or your friend them. So anybody with them not like you, you know? I told me no want a friend from them. You see, I have flex a chat to you. And teams that chat them not like because it's nobody on the app. I have flex when I say run up in that chair and teams. I don't know body. I run with them. From around me. My black team till me tired. My run with I have flex when him want come send him money come give me. Him 30,000 come give me. I'm tell him I don't want it, my good. Him say, Rosealee, you have Western Union. I say, no, so I have Western Union. Western Union blocked me years ago. Him say, send more name. I send him Jake's name. I say, oh, first, I say, okay, my good. I say, I push on him money, but I say, money you send me, sir. Okay, then. Cause nobody now run for money, I'ma take it. And them the people that say I run up in a friendship with you. Regular IFX come and send me request and me no answer share. Kim's water worse, I block my black Kims. I tell my moderator say, anybody say Kim's ya black him. And I'm tell him I throw a Kim. She run the people from around me. I want them pay me to be them friend, cause me not like fake people. Like how you pay Shibada to be your friend, cause Shibada they are long enough. And I look for you. And for them start look for you, the views drop, nobody now